Hello, I'm Kara Brooks again. This is part two. My video got cut off, so I had to split it up in two different parts. So one of the things that we were talking about was these are our goals or something that we were working on: facilities and resources empowerment. So I left off with time, and on our teacher working condition survey, teachers did stress the fact that they didn't feel like they had time to teach what they needed to teach with the kids or could not because of our class sizes being extremely big at Jefferson Middle School. Some of the inclusion classes are over 30, which is a big number for an inclusion class, which we feel like they need to be smaller. So we're trying to work on the opportunity, if possible, to get those classes smaller for us to be, or for administrators to be aware of our situation, because throughout the year they always tend to come in and our class sizes get bigger. Mission and vision. So when going over this, and I did a survey with people didn't really know our vision or our mission and vision for this school. What is it? What is our mission and vision? So that targeted or lets us know, red flag, hey, we need to revisit that, or maybe we need to create a different mission and vision, something that somebody that is aware of, all stakeholders are aware of, and have it posted in our building. This is just our vision. This is our mission. This is what we believe in. So that's one of the things that we can work on as a SIT team, probably at that meeting that we're supposed to hold at the end of July. Parental involvement, provide parents with the opportunity to serve on the PTO. Particularly invite parents, because sometimes we have the same parents that are coming up, so we can have more diversity. Invite parents so that our PTO can reflect how our staff and how our student population is from all different areas. Okay. And that, of course, increasing the parental involvement is always good. And you'll have probably fewer formal complaints from central office. If they know that they're an active part and they get to be in the building, then that'll be a good thing for parents. So as you see, we have gone over several things. We have gone over our SIOP, what's the purpose of it. We looked at the scores to determine our need. We looked at the survey to develop goals, develop focus groups, and we have an action plan, our school improvement action plan, take steps, what we're doing. And what should we consider and what do we think? So I would like to know feedback. So part of my growth process is to have feedback on what do you think about the presentation? What do you need to know more of? What did you not know? Any aha moments, that type of thing, for my own personal feedback. So what I do is I have a feedback on presentation. You can scan the code and it'll take you to the feedback form, or you can go to it. I sent the link through emails so that you can go through it after you watch it and kind of give me feedback on what you need to know, what I could do better, that type of thing. Because this is my first time actually doing this screencast, and I think it's pretty neat to kind of use too. I could see a lot of ways that could be used in the classroom. So I'll use Screencast-O-Matic if anybody's interested in doing this recording for, increase our technology. So if there's any questions or any feedback you would like to give me, please give me feedback on my feedback on presentation form. So one of the things too, everybody always say, why me? Why not? Why now? How can I do it? Like, mindset is everything. So I also went to a workshop, and one of the quotes that the presenter made says, if not me, then who? And if not now, then when? And that's a Malcolm X quote. If you don't think that you are the one that can make the change, then who else are you going to get to do it? Because somebody has to do it. Okay, so thank you for listening to my presentation. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, you can give me any feedback on the feedback form. Thank you. Have a great day.